Hello students, once again I am here with you with the chapter 4 Animals Are Friend, and today I will explain you the question answer of value based questions. And you see the page number 46. See this value based question. See this is value based question. Okay, see this is value based question. Okay, so first of all I am going to read this passage, then I will give you the answer of these questions. So here, okay, see the passage will end here, and these are the question 1, 2 and 3. Question number 2 you have to discuss with your classmate. So I will not say the answer of this question, just you will discuss it. I will tell you the answer of question 1 and question 3 only. Okay, now see this. I'm going to read this. Adya, a student of class 5, had a senior lady, Madam Mehani, as a new neighbor. She had a young puppy as a pet. Adya noticed that Rashi, her helping hand, would take care of the puppy. She would take it for a walk in the morning and again in the evening. She would feed it proper puppy food at regular intervals. Adya soon became friends with both puppy and Rashi. She would also help a senior lady to the extent she could. Okay, now after some days Rashi had to go on leave as she was urgently needed at her home. Madam Mehani became a little panicky as she was not strong enough to take the puppy for its walk. See this? Adya, however, assured her that she would do the needful and help her to the best possible extent. She requested her mother to take care of the puppy in the morning, as she had to go to her school. Her mother appreciated her helpful nature and her concern and empathy for others. The mother and daughter helped Madam Mehani till Rashi came back. Both Madam Mehani and Rashi thanked Adya and her mother for all the help and care they provided. The puppy also seemed to be thanking them as it wagged its tail and played with Adya. So this is the story given, and we have to answer the question. Question number 1 is the state the values. See this question number 1. You try to see this. This is question number 1. State the values displayed by Adya that you would also like to have. Okay, so you have to write the here value displayed by the Adya, and the answer is, see this, we should help our elders. We should help our elders. WEVSHOULD should. HELP help. OUR ELDERS elders. Okay, so we will write the answer. We should help our elders. This is the answer of question number. This is the answer of question number 1. The question number 1 is the state the values displayed by Adya that you would also like to have. So you will write that we should help our elders. Okay, this you will write, we should help our elders. Okay, now question number 3, question number 2. Question number 2 is the have you ever had a chance to help a senior citizen? Share your experience with your classmate. If you had a chance to help a senior citizen, then you will write yes. Okay, and if no, then you will write no. Okay, and you have to share your experience with your classmates. This you have to give answer yourself. Okay, I am not going to give the answer of this question. This is upon you. Okay, you will say the answer. You can write in your own language or as you. Okay, now come to the question number 3. See this. Question number 3 is question number 3. Okay, question number 3. This is question number 3. Do you think that a pet is likely to be a good companion for a single senior citizen? Again, I am going to repeat the question. Do you think that a pet is likely to be a good companion for a single senior citizen? Your answer will be yes. Yes, a pet is a good companion for a single senior citizen. Okay, don't write no. Yes, it is correct. This is upon you, but I have given the answer of this question. Yes, yes, comma, a pet is a good companion, companion, companion for a single, 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 senior, 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 citizen, citizen. Okay, citizen. See this, senior citizen, senior, senior, citizen, citizen. So you will write yes, a pet is a yes, a pet is a good companion for a single senior citizen. Okay, so you will complete this answer like this. So you will also do this VVQ, value based questions, and you will not write the paragraph. You just write only the question, and first you write value based question, then write the question, and then write the answer also. Okay, so all the question answer of chapter 4 today finished. Okay, so you will complete chapter 4 in your notebook. That's all. Thank you.